Hey everybody, what's going on? And welcome back, Kronos holders. I hope your weekend is going amazing because, as you know, the crypto market is not. I know, classic crypto. Now, big questions right now. Why is Crocon down? The global market cap is less than 1 trillion. And of course, is CRO gonna continue the price go down, maybe 10 cents, 11 cents? Well, if you're here, that is exactly why I'm making this video. I've been looking at the price and what's happening out there for the entire weekend plus. So I want to share with you my thoughts as far as what's happening. And let me know in the comments down below what you think, because there's one thing that all Kronos holders must know and has to do with news. And I think I figured it out, and I need to tell you very quickly. Let's go ahead and start, everybody. Don't forget to smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and turn on those notification bells for more CroconCrypto.com updates, because we're here. And at this time of the video, we're seeing Twitter, and there's not really many news out there. And we don't need every single day brand news news from crypto.com. That's not the case, but it helps the holders buy more, hold more, be more active, because community really, it's important when it comes to price and volume. But now, what's going on right now is definitely the uncertainty that the Fed is bringing to the table to the entire crypto market and stocks, the equities. I think we saw that on Friday, closing at negative 1,000 Dow Jones, of course, Dow Jones points. That's really sends a huge signal to the weekend and what we could expect. And as soon as I'm recording this video, I see Bitcoin going a little bit lower to the $19,800, and CRO once again clutching the 11 cents. So it is a possibility, my friends, because we have 3 more FOMC meetings as we conclude 2022. September, November, and December. That's it. So if the Federal Reserve does not consider that what they're doing right now is enough to finally bring inflation from that high 8% we have all the way to 2%, 3%, that's their goal, then we're not going to have peace in the market, period. Now, I think one of the, you have to understand, by looking at this chart right now, we are 18% of difference from right now to the lowest price, which is 9 cents. That's going to be Kronos. And we are 10 to 12% of difference from the price right now, Bitcoin, to the lowest price of Bitcoin in 2022, which that'll be $17,000, and for crypto.com 9 cents. So those key values are important, because if we have one more major crash in these 3 more FOMC meetings, then we're gonna get that price, lowest price, or even lower. I know, I've said that I think so far we reached the bottom, but by looking at what's happening right now, we could, if we have one more crash coming in, just wanted to let you know so you expect that and you're aware, because it's not that the news are plenty. Of course, there are many news out there, but we can clearly see what's really driving the market, and that's going to be what's coming up from the Federal Reserve right now. Here it is. 3 more meetings. This is 2023 coming up, but this is 2022. We have November 1st or 2nd, December 13 or 14, and September 20 on the 21st. That's what's coming up right now. We got the August notes a couple days ago, and that was one big deal. But right now, this is what's going on for the market and the entire cryptocurrency. Less than 1 trillion. Right now it's fear, which we've seen that before. And well, why do I even show you DeFi and Web3 right now? Because it's crashing. Classic. It is what it is. We talked about it. Not many news out here, but here's the deal. I'm pretty sure, listen closely, Kronos holders. I'm pretty sure that from now till the next FOMC meeting, Crypto.com is going to deliver more and more and more amazing news that I like. Remember, the ones that make me go like this, because there's really, really cool adoptions, integration, security layers, and more countries that allow them to sell their products, services, and way more partnerships. But I don't think that's going to really matter. Only when Fed and Bitcoin, everything starts moving up, the market starts moving up, because finally we are getting out of this garbage recession or garbage inflation period. That's it. All the news that I've covered so far in July, June, August, summer, they've been incredible for Crypto.com, but they haven't done much. I think if we come back to the price, we can totally see, as I'm zooming out, how from how from June all the way to August and now almost September, it's been a nice price increase. I mean, this is incredible price channel coming up and then a big one. And now all of this, now we're back right here, which is insane. It is what it is, right? I don't think we are super down. We're still way above 10 cents, but I think all of this time almost wasted, right? Because now it's completely down for those people who are longs and buying, let's say right here, 10,000 crore. Now you're a little bit down in that investment. So this is a period of a lot of uncertainty. And if you're trading this, I think this is great for you. If you're long, this might not work out for you a lot just because it's a uncertainty period. Now, let me show you Bitcoin. This is what it looks like. We are in the weekly under the 200 moving average, which means that we are above the 300 moving average. And right there, when we're in that point, it's a sweet spot to add even more positions because, I mean, we're already extremely down. The thing is, if for some reason we do not see the values, the KPIs, key performance indicators from the Fed, if they don't see it, they will continue just increasing and hammering the economy. That's what he said this week, right? He just seems that he doesn't want to lift the pedal and it wants to continue aggressively with the tactics to reduce inflation. And if that's the case, we're just going to see the economy shrink. And that is exactly what he's trying to do, to calm down all the money supply that they have distributed. Classic stuff, but it is what it is. Just because of that reason, we may not see much bigger prices in the upcoming months. That's what it is. Although I'm bullish, hopefully, right, that we are not going to break this 9 cents, because if so, well, we are ready for more pain coming up for us as Cronos holders. That's just what it is. Now you know. So once again, all the good news that we're going to report in this channel and in other channels, they're going to be great, but do not let that deceive you when it comes to price, because as long as we're not out of this, because Papa Powell is controlling everything right now, it's hammering the economy, it's hammering stocks, and that's bringing down the price. All the great news that we receive right now are just buried. The good news for all my longs and myself included who are staking is that once we're out of this mess, you can only imagine how much this is going to grow. Passing easy 50 cents, 70 cents, and reaching to our goal, which is $1 plus. It's going to happen. We're just going through this transition period, and it's not looking that sexy for short-term stuff. Or, I mean, you know what I'm saying. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is what I think the market is down. This is what I believe is going to happen. We have more meetings coming up. It doesn't seem, if unless they give us good news from those meetings, things are going to change from CPI data as well, as the inflation continues to decrease. That's going to be good news. So get ready for the pumps and dumps. They're going to come no matter what. I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.